Okay, we have here a 2007 Toyota Sequoia, and we are looking at the back over here, trying to open up the mechanism to release the back window. And as we see, this is when you take it off, and we're going to try to take this piece off over here. See, this is sticking, so we're going to take this off. We took these bolts out, and now we're going to take this apart here. And so, you disassemble these bolts here, and then you got to, this piece comes out. This piece comes out. And we're going to take the window out. Sliding window, and also we got to take off the this glass over here, so we're trying to stuff something in there and open it up.